Welcome to the in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So now when I'm swapping with my finger here to the right side, we can see that the Google Discover is activated. And if you want to turn out this feature, you should just hold for a while your device screen with your finger. And after that, tap here on the home settings, and just here we'll see the show Google app switcher, turn off the switcher, and after that we can see here that the Google Discover is turned off. And just to turn on again the switcher, sure, you should go again to the home settings, activate the Google app here, and now just we can see that the Google Discover is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.